Here I have ARCHOS Access 57, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So you can access Do Not Disturb mode here at the upper bar. Here it is. And if you hold your finger on it, you can also access some settings of this mode, like priority only allows. This one goes for reminders, events, alarms, messages. You can set if you want to get messages from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts only. The same goes for calls. You can also block visual disturbance, like if you want to block visual notifications on the screen here. And you can also add automatic rules. Rules is like the schedule when the Do Not Disturb mode will be automatically turned on and then automatically turned off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.